I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and that you have your VPN account credentials ready. This prevents connection errors. Once done, open Settings and tap VPN or VPN and Device Management to start configuring. If your provider offers an app, download it now because apps simplify setup. Otherwise, you'll add a profile manually. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active so the phone can verify credentials during setup. This avoids repeated prompts and speeds the process. Now you configure the connection details step by step. Tap Add VPN configuration and select the protocol your provider recommends, ICAV2 for stability, IPsec for broad compatibility, or L2TP if specified. Then input server address, remote ID, and your username and password. Include proxy or secret keys only if required. Once entered, save the profile. Using the provider app often automates this and imports settings, which is why it's faster and reduces manual errors. Make sure certificates are trusted. To finish, toggle the VPN status to connect and watch for the VPN icon in the status bar. This confirms an active tunnel. You should verify by checking your IP address or accessing content that differs by region so you know traffic is routing correctly. If it fails, try simple fixes. Restart your iPhone, re-enter credentials, or delete and reinstall the provider app. If problems persist, switch protocol or contact provider support. They can check server status and provide exact settings for your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.